Alright, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Casey Gardner coming at you with another vlog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, finally natapos na rin ako mag-room makeover for the third time. I think I have been doing room makeovers in this channel for quite some time already, and I don't know why, pero it seems like that's the kind of content that you guys always want. And I don't know kung bakit, pero laging yun yung pinakamadaming views. Dahil dyan, I'm going to give you guys another room makeover. The main reason kung bakit ko ginawa tong room makeover ko, I use this room most of the time pang study. So I spend most of my time here kapag nag-aaral ako or nasa desk ako, which is, I'm going to show you later. Pero at the same time, na-realize ko, if you watch my old vlog, like my old room makeover na yung accent wall ko, ginawa kong kulay navy blue. Yeah, I'm going to show you a clip. Actually, gusto ko siyang i-decorate. I don't know, medyo hindi ko na-trip yung navy blue at this point of time kasi medyo distracting siya tingnan, masyado siyang matingkad. So, I know you guys could see it agad, and ang una kong ginawa is paint two accent wall actually. Dalawang side ng room ko is cement finish wall. I'm going to show the picture kung ano yung paint na ginamit ko. Ayan. So, it's called the Industria na paint, and kasi medyo costly siya. It's worth 4,600 for one tub. It can cover only 15 or 16 square meter. Okay, so hi guys. This is my new room. So as you guys could see here, ito yung workstation ko, ito yung laptop ko, my monitor, my iPad, my keyboard and all. Kung napapansin nyo, if you have been watching my Instagram stories, minimal lang yung pagbabago, like this one. Yung legs niya naging black na. And also, nagbawas ako ng mga gamit kasi dati ang dami kong cases here, like may mga pencils and all. Ngayon, mas clean na siya tingnan, mas malinis, so I could be more productive. Ako nagtataka kayo kung saan ko nilagay yung mga pencils and pens ko dito. Meron na akong drawer here. Ayan, medyo makalat lang siya. Pero all my school essentials are here. My folders are there. Tapos yung naandito ko is yung mga gadgets, my camera, my GoPro, yung mga tripods ko and all, mga earphones and chargers nandyan. Tapos nandito pa yung other important stuff ko na medyo random. So dyan ko lang siya tinatago. So as you guys can see here, yan yung, what do you call that? Lalagyan ng maruming damit, tubal. Ayan, it's rattan. Ayan. So, nakatago lang yan dyan para hindi masyado nakikita. Same seat, my office chair. Some of you guys have been asking me bakit ayaw ko kumuha ng gaming chair. It's that medyo hindi siya bagay sa setup ko kapag naka-gaming chair ako. Well, yeah. So, here meron kang plant, tabako ata tawag dito. I forgot. Tapos, ayan. Meron akong coaster para kapag I'm drinking iced coffee, hindi nababasa yung table. Ito lang siya. And this is wireless charger from Xiaomi. Also, this is from Xiaomi. Guys, if you haven't watched my Lazada Boodle vlog, please do watch that. And then here is my ring light para kapag nag-webinar ako, if I'm hosting, meron akong light source even if it's already night. Yan. And this is my window. Binago ko nga pala yung curtains ko para medyo Bali vibe siya ng very, very light. So, if I open this, ay! Ang daming sampay. Magagalit na naman ni nanay ko pag pinakita ko yung sinampay namin. So yeah, if I open this, yeah, may view ako ng pool namin. And again, ang daming sinampay. Ayan. Yan yung view ko sa room ko. Sarado natin kasi naka-aircon tayo. Also, I changed this light switch. Dati siyang white. So ngayon, ano na siya? Gray. Although medyo madumi pa siya ngayon kasi hindi ko pinaayos. Yan. Sobrang dami kong inad na lights sa room ko and also the cladding. Yan. Pinabago ko yan. Ginawan ko ng cladding. Ang maganda dito is, look. Patayin ko muna sa gitna. So kapag naka-off siya, ganyan. Pag in-on, yan, it's color white. So kapag in-on ko ulit, it's warm. Then mix. Diba? Cute lang. Para nag-a-adjust yung lights ko depending on what I'm doing. So yan, kapag I'm studying, pag night, ito lang yung need ko. Nabuksan yung ilaw, ayan. So hindi ko na kailangan buksan yung naan doon. Pero kapag gusto ko moody lang or like pag gabing-gabi na and chill lang ako, ayan. Warm white lang para hindi masakit sa mata. Oh, and the purpose of this, it's called a track light. Yan. Is para ma-emphasize yung accent wall ko. Yan. That's my accent wall. This is a world map na color gold, diba? Sobrang ganda niya with the cement finish wall and also my plants here. Meron tayong snake plant. Meron tayong Salium. I don't know if it called Salium or basta sa Tagalog, Salong Yaman. Yan. And then meron also pa tayong snake plant dito. Yan. Di ba? Plantito lang. Also, yan. Meron tayong electric fan na bago. Alam niyo to kapag member kayo ng Homebodies kasi sobrang nauso to sa Homebodies yung parang wood finish na electric fan. I don't know. Pero medyo costly siya. I don't know why. So, going here, meron tayong shoe rack. And if we open this one, yan. Huwag na natin tingnan niya kasi napakadumi. Basically, that's my essentials. Ito, medyo proud ako dito. Yan. Meron tayong, andito yung mga damit ko na medyo magulo. Pero inayos ko siya ng ganyan, parang Marie Kondo. Ang dami ko space kasi ang dami kong hindi pa nalalabhang damit. Then, my workout and my pambahay clothes. And then, dito, may mga towels and bed sheets. So yeah, wag na nating tingnan yan kasi medyo madumi siya. Pero if you guys could see, dati tong color light brown, pininturahan ko siya ng white para medyo flush siya tingnan sa wall and hindi siya distracting. Meron tayong night lamp or night light from Mandaue Foam. Dried flowers. Tapos itong vase is from a Japanese surplus. Nakuha ko lang siya. So yeah, and then this is my bed. Ang nagbago lang sa bed ko is this one. Bumili ako ng bagong headboard. Bago nga pala yung bed ko. Dati kasi it's just a full-size bed. Ngayon, queen size na siya. Kasi I'm a big person. I'm a tall person, not a big person. May cement finish wall. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Sobrang minimalist lang. Also, if you guys have been wondering bakit ganito yung naging setup ko, like nagbago yung orientation, is because syempre kapag nag-zoom calls tayo, gusto ko maganda yung background ko. Ayan yung background ko. So, kapag may class ako, ito yung makikita, di ba? Sobrang aesthetic, may mga plants sa gilid. Ayan, oh. Strategically placed yan. Tapos yung light. Actually, kapag patay yung ibang ilaw, tapos yung track light lang yung open, ito yung itsura niya. O, di ba? Sobrang, it's a mood. Sobrang cute, di ba? Okay, so budget-wise naman, medyo magastos lang yung pagkaka-renovate ko dito sa room. So, sasabihin ko lang yung mga prices na mga ginawa ko dito. So, for example, first of all, this one, yung wall, like I mentioned, it's 4,600 pesos for one tub. Pricey siya compared sa regular paint, but I think it's very worth it. Sobrang ganda niya. Tapos, yung mga cladding, yan, yung mga cladding na yan, that is worth 360 pesos each. So, sa size ng room ko, which is around 4 by 3 meters, parang inabot ako ng 20,000 pesos. Mga ganon, more or less 20,000 pesos. Yung lights ko, ayan, yung tricolor lights ko, which is ganyan, 6 siya. Ang price ng isa nan ay nasa around 600 to 700 pesos per light bulb. Or no, it's not a light bulb, it's a light fixture siya. So, ang disadvantage lang dyan is kapag napundi siya, is kailangan mo talagang palitan yung buong light. Hindi siya yung bulb lang na nasa screw on, screw off kapag napupundi siya. And then, last but not the least, syempre, itong yung track bar. So, this one, yung track bar, that's 1 meter lang. I think nasa 600 pesos yan. Ito kasi individually siyang nabibili. You could put as many lights as you want. Pero 4 lang yung binili ko. Nasa around 1,000 ata. Ayun, that's kind of it. Yung mga nagastos ko dito sa room ko. Also, if you're wondering saan ko nilagay yung dati kong mirror, ayan, hello. Oh, and before I forget, if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section and I'll try to reply to those questions. Basta tungkol dito sa room, ha? Hindi yung tungkol sa modules niyo. Okay, bye. So that is all, guys, for our very quick new room tour again. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, put your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine, coming out. Bye!